Welcome back. In today's video, we'll explore one of the most essential topics in Python, how it handles numeric types, dates, and times. In this session, we'll cover numeric types in Python, types conversions, and mathematical operations, how to you work with dates and times, formatting and handling the time zones. So, what are numeric types? Python supports three main types of data types: int, float, and complex. It is like a whole numbers, like 1, 2, 3, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, float handles the decimal part, it's like 3.14 or 2.2. Complex numbers lets us work with real and imaginary parts. Python also has something called as decimal and fraction modules. Floating point numbers can sometimes cause small rounding errors. To handle precise values, especially in financial or scientific computations, Python provides decimal and fraction classes. We have like a type conversion where suppose if we have a one single number in a float form, we can directly convert it into integer form by directly just typing like int 3.8. So it will just give us like a integer format of the 3.8. So we can also work with dates and times. So Python has a built-in module is the main tool for this. From date time, import date, date time. This module helps to represent, format, and manipulate real world dates and times. Date time. So the date time module includes several useful classes like date, handles year, month, and day. Time represents hours, minutes, and seconds. Date time combines both date and time. Time delta represents differences between two dates and times. Formatting and passing the dates. So when you want to display dates in a particular format, use strf time parenthesis. To read a date from a string, use strp time parenthesis. We can also work with different time zones. So working with time zones can be a bit tricky as Python makes it easier with zone info module. You can convert different time zones. Always use time zone aware datetime objects in global or distributed applications. So in today we have learned like how Python supports int, float, complex, decimal and fraction for numbers. Use datetime for handling dates and time. Use strf time and strp time for formatting and passing. Thanks for watching this video.